I was doom scrolling it, and then I saw a video of like Sheikh Uthman. I saw one of his videos, and it was a funny one. And he was saying in the video, what is the martial arts for the Chinese? It's Kung Fu. And then he says, what is the martial arts for Brazilians? Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. And then he said, what's the martial arts for Muslims? And he said, "Ra ta ta ta." And I was like in my head, yo, this guy's funny. This guy's mad funny, right? Terrorism, right? At that time, you know, like the memes, airplanes, all of that. You know the joke.
You guys gotta back up a little bit, all right? You're the Kung Fu? Where does Kung Fu come from? China. Karate? Japan. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. It's in the name, right? Now, many of you have heard of these, but Pashtuns have our own form of martial arts that very few people know about outside of the Pashtun area. Okay? It's called Ching Ching Pow. I'm going to show you a little bit of a stand. Ching Ching Pow.
So I decided to doom scroll this guy, right? I was doom scrolling Sheikh Uthman, and it was like a bunch of dawah videos. And then the dawah videos, right? I started making me like, whoa, this guy's speaking facts. Like, it makes sense, right? And when I like something, when I enjoy listening to something, and I hear something that's very interesting, I like deep into it. Like I go into the rabbit hole of just discovering and researching, right?